Guys, today we are going to install Paranoid Android 7.3.1 on our OnePlus 5. So I have already downloaded the ROM and moved to the device. So we are directly going to install. So we have to wipe our previous ROM. Now install the cheeseburger. This is the most stable ROM of Android for OnePlus 5. The only thing that is not working is DCI-P3 option, that is a screen calibration option that is not available in this ROM till yet. So it is installed. Let's wipe the Delvic cache and reboot our system. Yeah. So powered by Android is replaced by powered by AOSPA. It's the first boot, so device will take a few minutes to boot.